Hi, you are welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to adapt your collar patterns. So I just want to show you how to adapt it, because really you need to have different collar pattern sizes. You can have for your size 15 shirts, size 15 and a half, size 16, size 16 and a half. So each time you need those collar, you won't have to start cutting all over again. So this one here, it is a size 16.5 collar, while the under collar is size 18.5. Now I want to adapt this big collar into a smaller collar. The first thing I'm going to do is to adapt this collar. It's 16.5, but I want to adapt it to 15.5. Alright, so I'm going to adapt it. The first thing I'm going to do is to measure the 15.5 divided into 2, which is like 7 3/4. So the length is going to end here. So that's what I'm going to do. I folded it into 2 to make it easier. I'm also using pencil, so I've used a pencil to trace it. So I'm just going to cut it. So if you adapt, you can use this method to adapt your collar patterns, and it will be exactly the way you want it to be. Can you see it? This is exactly what I wanted. So I want the under collar to be 17 inches, which divided by 2, which will be just 8.5. So this is where the length will get to. So I'm just going to do exactly the same thing. Make sure you follow the pattern very well. It's better to mark it out with pencil, trace it out with pencil, and not cut directly, because if you cut it directly, there is a tendency that you will chip off some parts of the collar. So trace it out with a pen first before you now start to cut. And make sure you trace it out with your scissors very well, exactly the way it is. So that is it. You notch the mid point so you can know. So either you want to use your collar to cut it, or you want to use a pattern to cut it. This is how to adapt a collar into any size that you want it to be.